I am Dr. Mohammad Samiullah Khan. First of all, I will congratulate team from US, Mannan Zafar, Ghausbhai, Raza, who is not here, Ahmed, and all those who have really done a very hectic job since 1 year to organize this reunion. This is a very great job what these people have done. Then Hyderabadis has followed, but still they are following. The strength is very less from Hyderabadi today at this place. So after my MBBS, everyone knows that I am the first person to get married in first year. And without invitation, most of you have attended my marriage dinner. After MBBS, I have gone for hospital administration. That time, CMC Vellore used to run that course, MBA in hospital administration. No doctor used to go for administration those days. And my mother was very angry. तुम आपको डॉक्टर बनाए तो एक क्लर्क बनने जा रहे तुम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पढ़ के हो. So anyway, that was my interest. I did that MBA. Then I went to Saudi Arabia. There, luckily, I could able to get directly a position of technical manager in an organization of Al Hamadi Group, which used to operate and manage many Ministry of Health hospitals. Within 1 year, I got promoted as an executive director of the organization, and all 18 hospitals were under me of Ministry of Health. Alhamdulillah, in those days, I have recruited lot of Hyderabadis. Nearly 5,000 Hyderabadis I have recruited for Saudi Arabia in my tenure of 10 to 12 years. And I was the only Indian to be on such a highest position, to move with Health Minister, Director General in their chartered flights and all that. Alhamdulillah, I have seen all positions, everything, but in 2002 I returned back and joined Medwin Hospital as a director of the hospital. I developed simultaneously a small academic section where I used to plan training and job placement for educated unemployed youth in paramedical and allied health sciences, because I have seen the fame and the demand of these courses in the Gulf sector. So all the poor boys and girls I used to collect, train them, issue the certificates and send them abroad. Then Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, who was the Chief Minister, he called me to Secretariat and he formed a commission and he put me as the advisor for Paramedical Commission. I developed all these courses in government and then got it recognized. Nearly till date 21 to 22,000 youth I have trained, Alhamdulillah, and I have put them for job placement. Now I am member of Board of Studies in post-graduation for Osmania University, Ambedkar University, then Maulana Azad University, Manipal University, Calicut University, Princeton University of USA. For all these universities I am giving these courses. And most of my work to train these youth to do the community services and see that these poor boys and girls, those who come from the slums, should stay into the corporate level of hospital, see what is the respect means, self-respect means status. Then Alhamdulillah, I have seen that they have developed and lot of their living style, their houses, everything has been changed. So what I request with all our colleagues that you people should also join hand with this. Not by money, but at least the poor boys and girls, those who have done SSC and intermediate, send them to me. I will train them and see that they will get the job. In India, anywhere, any new hospital launch, for all paramedic and allied health sciences, they will call me and ask for those manpower. And sometime it happened that even immediately after admissions, they have given them the jobs and they said that we will train them. तो इतना इसका अभी डिमांड इंडिया के अंदर बाकी है. So with this reunion, I request you people also to join with this. Send all your आपके घर में काम करने वाले drivers and all those children, send to us. We will train them and see that they will get job in India and abroad. We will find all these boys, especially Muslim boys and girls, in all corporate hospitals of India. These people used to afraid to enter into the corporate. You name any corporate, Apollo, Care, all these things, you will find these boys and girls working in these hospitals. So in connection of that, I have brought one team for a small school to give their presentation. It is in a slum. They want to develop that school, but because of no funds, they could not able. If anyone wants to help them, that will retain as Sawab-e Jariya even after this world also, inshallah. Thank you very much.